Take a ride in the 2019 GS 350. The GS 350 boasts a powerful engine with a lot of horsepower output under its hood. Yet this beautifully built car remains a luxury sedan first and foremost with its plush interior, high-tech amenities, and impressive standard equipment, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: moonroof, alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control, anti-lock braking system, fog lights, navigation system, backup camera, heated seats, keyless entry. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.